Welcome to this Splunk tutorial for beginners. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by machine data, struggled with logs, or wondered how to monitor your systems effectively, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into Splunk, a powerful platform that transforms raw data into actionable insights. Whether you're an IT professional, a security enthusiast, or simply curious about unlocking the potential of machine data, Splunk is here to help. In this video, I'll walk you through the basics, from installation to reporting and monitoring, so by the end, you'll be well on your way to mastering Splunk. With its real-time monitoring and log analysis, you'll soon wonder how you managed without it. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's make data analysis less intimidating and a lot more fun. Stick around till the end, where I'll share advanced tips and tricks you won't want to miss. But before we get started, I'm Jasmine, and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid cybersecurity, ethical hacking, or cloud pro fast. What is Splunk, and why is it important? Splunk is a platform designed for real-time searching, monitoring, and analyzing machine-generated data. From servers and applications to networks and devices, machine data like logs and metrics is created constantly, and managing this data manually is nearly impossible. That's where Splunk comes in. Splunk acts as a central hub, collecting, indexing, and processing machine data so you can easily search through it to extract valuable insights. Whether it's web server logs or network security events, Splunk's powerful capabilities make it simple to sift through massive datasets quickly. System requirements and prerequisites. Before diving into Splunk, ensure your system meets the necessary requirements. For local setups, you'll need a decent CPU, 8 to 16 gigabytes of RAM, and plenty of storage for logs. Splunk runs on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, but be sure you have the necessary user permissions for installation. In larger environments, scaling up resources is essential to maintain performance. And don't forget network configurations, especially if you're setting up a distributed environment. Splunk can be resource-intensive, but once it's running, it'll handle real-time data monitoring and analytics like a pro. Installation of Splunk. To work with Splunk, you first have to download and install the Splunk Enterprise Edition on your computer locally. For this purpose, open any browser on your system just like I have opened Google Chrome. Here, search for the Splunk.com website and hit enter. It'll take some time to open the web page as per your internet provider speed. Once opened, the main page of Splunk will be visible from here. You can find various resources for your team and get a quick overview of Splunk. Moreover, this page contains several beneficial links that can help you understand more about the security and observatory provided by Splunk. It is highly recommended to explore each section of the main page and gather as much information as possible to prevent any future bugs or faulty results. On scrolling to the bottom of the page or on reaching the footer section, you'll see considerable quick links from here. Select the Free Trials and Downloads link. Once clicked, the Free Tools and Downloads page will open, and from here you have to find the Splunk Enterprise Downloads section and then hit its Get a Free Trial button. This will divert you to a Splunk Enterprise account creation page. On this page, you have to provide your credentials like email, password, first name, last name, job title, phone number, company, country, and zip or postal code. After entering the credentials, check the below two boxes and hit the Create Your Account button. After the creation of your account login to Splunk Enterprise, here provide your email along with the password that you provided during the creation of your Splunk account. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the Splunk Enterprise Downloads page. Here, the current version available for download will be available along with the packages that you can download specific to your operating system, like Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. As I am a Windows user, I am downloading the Splunk Enterprise version for Windows by clicking on the Download Now button. After that, you'll be directed towards the Rules and Policies page, which you have to read and scroll down at the bottom until you find a checkbox. Once found, check the box and click on the Access Program button. After accepting, a new download page will appear, and the location is asked from you where you want to install the installer. Provide the path and click Save to start the downloading of the installer. After the completion of a download, open the Splunk installer and accept the license agreement. It shows you some default installation options. You can either go with the defaults or customize them by clicking on the Customize Options button. Next, click on the Next button to start the installation process and enter the username, password, confirm password field, and hit the Next button. Your password needs to be hard level, so you must use the combination of alphabets, numbers, and special characters. Lastly, check the box and select the Install button and the installation procedure will start. Once the installation process ends, which is going to take some time, hit the Finish button to exit from the installation wizard. Next, the Splunk Enterprise login page will open on your default web browser. Here you can read the instructions if it's your first time, then enter the username and the corresponding password in the mentioned fields and hit the Sign In button. This will open the Splunk Enterprise dashboard and some rules or tips will appear which you can read if you want, and hit the Got It button. This is what your Splunk home page looks like, and as you can see, it is divided into multiple sections, namely Bookmarks, Dashboard, Search History, Recently Viewed, Created by You, and many more. These sections or tabs help you in analyzing data more easily and quickly. To get started, navigate to the Dashboard tab and select Choose a Home Dashboard. From the drop-down menu, you can choose from various pre-built dashboard components depending on the metrics or services you wish to monitor. For instance, you might opt to track system performance, service health, or even specific security-related data points. Once you've made your selection, click the Save button and your dashboard will start displaying real-time data feeds. This allows you to instantly view visualizations like time charts, bar graphs, and line graphs, which provide immediate insights into how your systems are performing. To further tailor your dashboard to your specific needs, you can easily modify its components. By clicking the Change button, you can add additional elements such as single-value visualizations, which are great for key metrics like CPU usage or uptime, statistical charts, or even custom data views that fit your operational requirements. These components offer flexibility in how you want to represent your data, whether you need a quick overview or an in-depth analysis of certain KPIs. After making adjustments, the dashboard updates in real time, giving you an evolving picture of your system's health. For more granular insights, each dashboard component includes an Open button, which allows you to dive deeper into specific data sets. This feature is invaluable for IT administrators or security teams who need to troubleshoot issues or monitor critical services. For example, clicking into a CPU usage component will provide detailed metrics, logs, and historical data, enabling teams to identify performance bottlenecks or pinpoint the source of an issue. These in-depth views are essential for maintaining smooth operations and preemptively identifying potential risks. If certain dashboard components are no longer relevant or you want to simplify your view, you can remove unnecessary elements by clicking the Remove button. This helps keep the dashboard clean and focused, ensuring you're only looking at the most critical data points at any given time. Over time, as your monitoring needs evolve, you can continually adjust and refine your dashboards, making Splunk an incredibly versatile tool for dynamic, real-time data management. Splunk's dashboards are an essential tool for monitoring platform health, visualizing key data points, and maintaining service performance in real time. By utilizing Splunk's dashboard features effectively, you not only gain a comprehensive understanding of your platform's health, but also position yourself to respond proactively to any potential issues. This flexibility and depth in monitoring capabilities makes Splunk a powerful asset for anyone managing complex IT environments, providing a centralized, real-time view into the performance and security of your services. Now, let's create some event log collections by clicking the Settings option from the navigation bar, and from the drop-down list, select the Data Inputs option. From the Data Inputs web page, select the first data input type named Local Event Log Collection. On the new page, select the events or categories whose event logs you want to retrieve, just like I am selecting the logs of Application, Security, and System. You can also choose or set the destination index for the source for the logs to be retrieved, or you can go with the default, just like I am going. Once done, hit the Save button and a confirmation alert message will appear as well. Next, move back to the Data Inputs webpage by clicking on the Data Inputs link at the top left side of the webpage. To confirm whether our custom set log collections are built or not, choose the second option of the Remote Event Log Collections option. Here, you can see that our log collection is available and is enabled. From this page, you can also create more event logs by clicking on the New Event Log Collections button, and you can also filter the collections using the Filter field. Now, select the App tab from the navigation bar, and from the drop-down, select the Search and Reporting option. Using this option, you can search for specific logs or events and can analyze your event logs in multiple ways. If you enter the asterisk symbol in the search bar, all collected logs will be retrieved and displayed on the screen. This screen is divided into 4 tabs: Events, Patterns, Statistics, and Visualization. Once the events are retrieved, a success message will also appear like this. In the Event tab, all events are displayed along with their time and short descriptions or details about the event. You can also customize the overview or formatting of retrieved logs using the provided options. From here, you can choose the number of logs to display on each page and the formatting of logs to make them display in the list, table, or in raw format. Moreover, by choosing the Format option, you can select the max lines and the type of selection to perform on clicking, which can be inner, outer, or full. Above this section, the Timeline section is available that showcases the event logs in terms of graph, and there are some options available to customize the appearance of this timeline. Moreover, you can choose the fields if you want to make their data also retrieved on the screen. To get all fields, select the All Fields button, and from the retrieved fields you can check or uncheck to display the log data regarding the specified fields, just like I am enabling the account domain and account name fields. You can also filter out these fields list or resort to specific criteria to make searching fast. Moreover, you can select or unselect fields in bulk as well, using the available options at the top of the page. Now, let's open the Start menu by hitting the Window key available on the taskbar, and then search for the Event Viewer, which is already installed on all systems. Once appears, click on the Open button. From the Event Viewer screen, click on the Windows log to open the logs for the Windows. Here, you can pick any field or folder at random, just like I am choosing Security. Next, right-click on the Security folder, and from the Appeared option, select the Clear Logs option to clear the logs for System. It'll ask for the confirmation. You can either save these logs and then clear, or simply clear just like I am doing. Next, move back to the Splunk Enterprise webpage and display the data in list format for better visualization, and add some fields into the search bar to filter out the desired result. To add a field in the search bar, click on that field like I am clicking on the event code, and from the drop-down options, click on the first option, namely Add to Search. As you can see, once clicked, it will re-render. Now you can also add a filter of event code, having a specific value for this, insert the equal to symbol, and insert code inside the double quotation. You can see that now all event logs having specified event codes are retrieved. In the same manner, add other fields like computer name, source, host, date, and time, or any other if you want. These fields narrow down your result, just like I have reached my required event log. The result also appears graphically on the timeline as well. You can alter the timeline graph as per your need using the displayed options. Now I am copying the search query by right-clicking on the field and then selecting the Copy option. After that, select the Create Table View button to create a new table. A new table page will appear. If it is your first time, you can click on the Continue to Tour button to start the tour for this page, or you can simply click on the Skip button. On this page, the table gets created according to your saved search query, as you can see. You can customize the fields to be displayed in your table using the panel situated at the left side of your screen. From here, you can add or remove fields. Just like I have added the host and keywords fields and also added then removed the message field. You can also filter out specific fields by mentioning their names and selecting the Summary button to view the summary of each table column. You can tweak the options available on the table page to customize the data and filter out the unrequired data as per your needs. If you have more than one table, you can also sort them in ascending and descending order using the Sort option. Finally, let's now move toward the creation of a dashboard. From the navigation bar, select the Dashboard option. The alert message will appear asking you to take a tour. If you want Splunk to tell you about the dashboard, then go ahead and take the tour. If you already know about the Splunk dashboard, then select the Skip button. On the dashboard page, multiple already created dashboards are displayed. You can either select or edit one of them or click on the Create New Dashboard to make your own new dashboard. After that, a dialog box will appear that takes data for the creation of a dashboard. Here you have to enter the title of the dashboard, descriptions, and can set the permissions. Moreover, you are also asked to set the styling of the dashboard and the layout, which I am going to choose as the grid. Once you're done, select the Create button. After that, the dashboard creation page will open, where you can find various tabs and options. Using these, you can insert multiple elements or fully customize your dashboard according to your needs. You can also switch the dashboard theme between light and dark modes. Click on the first column Graph Image Type button, and from here you can find various methods of inserting data. We are going to pick the first one named Table, because we want to insert the table in our dashboard for now. After clicking on the table, the settings or data sources will appear on the right side of a page. Next, open the search data source and click on the Create Search button to create a new data source. Enter the data source name or just go with the default one and paste the copied search query inside the SPL query section. Scroll down and enter the table name along with its short description. Next, open the Visibility option and check or leave empty the option to hide elements when data is unavailable. Then open the Data Display option, and from here you can choose the number of rows to be displayed or can add row numbers and internal fields as you like. After that, open the Color and Style option to set the background and text color or to change the font style and font size to enhance the visibility factors. These are options that you can choose as per your preferences. You should try all of them on your own. If these settings become invisible due to some factors or because you have clicked on the dashboard section, then you can bring them back by clicking on the table and the settings for that table will become visible again. Moreover, using the source code option, you can see the XML data or source code for your table, and you can also tweak here as per your personal needs or requirements of the client. Once you're done, click on the Save button to save the dashboard along with its containing data. After saving, you'll notice that now your created dashboard is available next to the already created dashboards along with its owner, permissions, and other data. Now click on your dashboard to see it in a print or final layout. Next, click on the Actions button to perform several operations on the dashboard like downloading of a dashboard in PDF or PNG, cloning of the dashboard, view on mobile screens, edit permissions, and many more. From these options, click on the Set as Home Dashboard option to set this dashboard as a default dashboard on your Splunk account homepage. Now, when you move back to your home page and open the Dashboard tab, you'll notice that your recently made dashboard is already set as a default dashboard as required. Splunk's real-world use cases. Splunk is widely used across industries, offering immense flexibility for various use cases. In IT operations, it serves as a centralized hub for machine data, enabling teams to monitor performance, detect issues early, and even predict failures. For example, when an e-commerce company experiences a traffic spike, Splunk can identify bottlenecks and optimize performance in real time, ensuring minimal disruption. In cybersecurity, Splunk is invaluable for detecting unauthorized access and malware activity by analyzing logs and events across networks. Financial institutions rely on it for fraud detection and compliance monitoring, processing millions of events per second to stay ahead of potential breaches. For business analytics, Splunk helps organizations extract insights from customer and operational data. Retailers, for instance, can use Splunk to analyze shopping behavior, identify peak times, and monitor product trends, driving data-informed decisions that boost profitability. In short, Splunk's versatility in IT, cybersecurity, and business analytics makes it indispensable for improving operational efficiency, security, and business intelligence. Best practices for managing Splunk. Effective Splunk management ensures you're getting the most out of your data. Start by setting up data collection thoughtfully. Filter out irrelevant logs to avoid overloading the system and driving up costs. Focus on actionable data from critical systems like firewalls or authentication servers. Optimizing searches is crucial. Use Splunk's search processing language, SPL, wisely by narrowing queries and applying filters. This not only improves relevance, but also reduces load and boosts speed. Techniques like field extractions and indexed fields help further enhance performance. Managing indexes is key as data grows. Implement retention policies to clean up old data and allocate storage wisely to prevent system slowdowns. Regular maintenance, such as patch updates and system health checks, ensures your Splunk environment remains efficient and scalable. Extending Splunk with add-ons and apps. Splunk's capabilities can be expanded through its ecosystem of add-ons and apps. The Machine Learning Toolkit, MLTK, allows you to build predictive models, enabling insights into future trends like potential security vulnerabilities or system degradation. For instance, IT teams can forecast hardware failures and address them proactively. Splunk Enterprise Security transforms the platform into a comprehensive security information and event management solution, essential for detecting advanced threats and ensuring compliance. Industries like finance and healthcare, with high security demands, heavily depend on this tool. Splunk IT Service Intelligence offers advanced dashboards for monitoring complex IT infrastructures, providing a holistic view of system health and service KPIs. It's crucial for minimizing downtime and maintaining seamless operations. Additionally, Splunk integrates seamlessly with major cloud services like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. This integration makes it ideal for hybrid cloud environments, offering unified data monitoring across on-premise and cloud systems. That wraps up our Splunk tutorial. Now that you understand what Splunk is and how to use it for IT operations, security, and business insights, you're ready to explore its full potential. Remember, Splunk is like an all-knowing friend. Ask the right questions, and you'll get the answers you need. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into Splunk's advanced features. Have questions or tips? Drop them in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching. Keep your logs in check and your data flowing smoothly. Check out the video on the right for more content to help you develop your IT career.